Now we have pleasure on calling on stage yet another doctor who's about to give us a leg dem, the shortest leg dem possible, on a simple but a very, very effective breathing technique, so-called Sudarshan Kriya, propounded by Pujya Sri Ravi Shankar. Please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Prathiba, who is the medical director of the Apollo Cancer Institute. Cancer Hospital, I'm sorry. Please welcome Dr. Prathiba on stage. Thank you, doctor. I hand over the mic to her to go through with the leg dem.
Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy to be here, and I would like to start by clapping, giving a big hand to Dr. Anita Ramesh. Can we do that, please? Amazing courage he's had for last 7 years, and the same courage is reflected in all of you here. I'm very happy to be with all the heroes who are present here, who've shown courage, grit, determination, willpower to fight this battle and come as survivors. Let us clap for all of us. Big clap, please. So why I'm here today is, now that you've won this battle, what is the next step for us? There are two things we need to do. One is, when we were fighting this, there was a lot of stress that we had at physical, mental, emotional, financial, and many other types of stress. And stress has impressions on the mind. So that is one thing we need to get clear of as a next step. And point number 2, prevention for the future. How to make sure that we remain disease-free. So these are the two things we have to take care of. And I have come across a very beautiful technique which is very, very powerful, simple, rhythmic technique. It's like we have an orchestra here, we all breathe. But similar to orchestra, if the music is not in a particular tune, it's not music, it's noise. Similarly, we all are breathing, but are we able to release the toxins which are there in the body? No? Yes or no? No. So there is a particular way, if we breathe, we can remove all those toxins from our body, and that is Sudarshan Kriya. There are multiple benefits of it at various levels, physical level, mental level, at all the systems, immune system, it enhances our immunity. We can protect ourselves. The cortisol level, which is the hormone, stress hormone, which reduces. People who practice this have lesser of these hormones and more of prolactin and the well-being hormones. It affects mental focus. There's optimism. There's positivity of mind. It reduces all the lifestyle disorders. As per WHO, 90% of the diseases in today's world do not have any cause whatsoever. And now that we are disease-free, we are going back to the same world with the same risk factors. And all the more reason we need to protect ourselves to make sure we remain healthy. So this is that technique. So there's not much time and very little time to talk about it. We can get to the details. We'll have one small, not Sudarshan Kriya, but one small pranayam for all of us. So I request Rohan from IIT Delhi. He's here as an IIT Art of Living volunteer. And we will just follow one small pranayam. Can we do that? Okay. So Rohan will demonstrate. We can do it while sitting on the chair. This pranayam is called Bhastrika. So you can be sitting there. Let's have a spine erect. Loose fists, both the wrists, fists loose in front of the shoulders. Can we all do that? So we'll see first, and later on we'll do one round with the eyes closed. So as we breathe in, we'll take our hands up and open our fingers. And as we breathe out forcefully, we'll bring the hands down and close the fist. Very loosely, the hands are loose. So Rohan will just do 5 steps. In, out, in, out, in, out. Very good. Now we can close our eyes and we'll just do 20 rounds. Let us all close our eyes, spine erect. Loose fist in front of the shoulders. Breathe in, out, 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 and relax. We can keep our eyes closed. We'll do one more round. Keep the eyes closed. Round 2. Breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Keep your eyes closed. And we'll gradually open our eyes. How does it feel? Does it make a difference? So that's the breath. This is very simple. Sudarshan Kriya will usually is taught in 3 days. So from my heart, I wish all of us go and explore what it is, try to learn it, and protect ourselves. And thank you, Dr. Anita, once again for this wonderful opportunity, this wonderful program. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It was great. Thank you.